Hello, trading is closed on August 27th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We said Tuesday's pattern had the early low, but we could gap up. That's what we got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. We could gap up first, of course. So unless we drop a lot early, the day tends to close near the high and be positive. Well, that's your early drop. We still need one more leg down to finish the wave count, followed by a strong wave round 3. We're looking for the end of this wave count. I also said because of the wall, you're likely to gap down. We gapped up. So as far as I'm concerned, the call was killed before the open. I get no credit for saying there'd be another leg down. Rules are rules. Just won't let me close this out. Well, I'm hoping this low is going to hold. We have the spike, we have the MEJT non-confirmation. All we need is a rally from here, and that's going to be a beautiful bottom. Usually when these spikes work in spades, you get about 3-4 days, and if you haven't rallied big by that time, maybe you're not going to get too much. So if we're going to move, I'd like it if we move now. Well, we tried to say that maybe if this is the length of A, purple A, maybe, purple C ended at the 50%, but there's no reason it can't end at the 38.2. Just looking for the end of that wave. This was the count I had. I can make it work, but I have to truncate wave 5. You have to truncate wave 5 here, truncate wave 5 here. Something's probably wrong with your count. So starting from this purple B, I've changed it. I've made this an A, B, and a C. C is equal to A. Look at wave B. ABC has perfect fib relationships. And the pretty thing is if you take the height of purple A, purple C is right at the 0.382. So if that is the end of the ABC in purple and the end of the brown wave 2, you got some Fibonacci reasons for it. If that's true, you'd like this rally to start with a 5-wave structure. Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Waves 1 and 5 have a fib relationship. And if that's your ABC, you can see A at 61.8 and C at 100 have a good fib relationship. So that could be 1. It could be ABC for 2. If we start to rally here with an impulsive move up, that's a perfect wave 3 of multiple degree, if that's what happens. Hasn't happened yet. So, we're looking for Friday's low to hold, not a guarantee. Wednesday's pattern has the early low, doesn't preclude gapping up. We have mixed signals. The day-long rally couldn't take out the prior highs. That's positive. It's canceled for gap and take out this low. We have a little low to high day which closed near its low. It's negative. We also have a higher MEJT target, I should say, for the positives. But not closing near the low is negative. Commonest thing is you gap outside the range, release gap and move outside the range promptly. Next most common is you close a little changed the big move next day, and least common, either one of those things happen. But this is a chance for the bears to get their hats handed to them. If we gap up smartly and take out this high, and that has not happened yet, but if it happens, I think it's a wave 3 of multiple degree going up. So I think tomorrow's open is going to be critical. I'm not going to count on this printing. We're going to have to wait to see how it opens. But if we gap up and start to move up smartly over this high and don't sell off, I think that greatly increases the chance that the recent correction's over. We'll have to see if that happens, and that's today's call.